ポートモレスビー国立高校に来ました。ユミライニムジャパン。
Become the Pooto Moresby National School of Excellence, calling POMNATHS.
I'm with Sasa here, right at the entrance of Pooto Moresby National School of Excellence. Boys are doing the painting in preparation for the 30th anniversary. The Japanese government has built this school and given it to the government of Papua New Guinea. And now we run this one as Pooto Moresby National School of Excellence. The independent state of Papua New Guinea, the Pooto Moresby National High School at those times, now National School of Excellence, donated by the government of Japan as a symbol of friendship and cooperation between the people of the independent state of Papua New Guinea and Japan. September